Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today our LG washing machine threw a TE error code. And in this video we want to show you exactly what the washing machine is doing. Let's take a look. At this point you have a washer bowl full of water and it is not draining, and it's not going to drain. With that TE code, that water is going to stay in that tub. However, there are a few options that we can do to actually drain that water manually. And what I want to do is I want to start with the options that are not going to cost you any money, nor lead you to leave the house and go to the store and purchase a new part, nor take any of this washing machine apart to access any parts that you have to take off or replace. So that's it. Now we know what the washing machine does when it throws the TE error code, and chances are you have a washing machine full of water. And what we have to do now is drain that water from the washing machine. At the end of the video, you will see additional videos that run you through steps to take to drain your washing machine. We'll see you at the next video. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.